Recording in progress.
Students, good evening. Students who are in the online, am I audible? So boys, how you feel comfortable? You will not comfortable for good things. Sitting one side is important. It's comfortable. Comfortable or not? No, you have to sit there only. Must be comfortable. So you have to comfort for everything, students. So are you comfortable with my teaching? Teaching is important. Seating arrangement is important. Teaching is important. So boys, sit back a little bit more. You sit front, ma. Why you want to sit just front? Sit little front. So when you go to hotel, food important, chair important. Food important. Chair, what is there? Chair important. Both, Okay. It is your mindset is like that. I can do one more. See, good things important. So I can sit on the ground also. I will learn Python. What is there? When you sit like that, you have to sit there only, boys. So I'm asking, what is your opinion? I have already my opinion. You have to sit there only, right? So come to the point of it. Are you comfortable with your previous faculties or not? Now you are comfortable with me. Why you did not comfortable in earlier? Huh? No. They are not teaching well or something you are saying. Because you've seen somebody who teach more than them, correct? Suppose if I teach less than them, you will say, books are comfortable previously only, you will say. So you have to comfortable for everything. This entire story says you have to comfortable with everything. Okay, now that is my view. So sit there only daily. Okay, girls, you first see first 3 rows only you sit. Okay, and between the girls and boys, 1 row is need to maintain. Nan means what? No value. No value should present. Let me start the topic. Previously, we started with the most important concept, I hope so. Python with Oracle. So this was discussed in the last class. Types of queries. Types of queries. Here. Come in. So here, DML operations completed yesterday. Now we are entering into what? DRL. I'm discussing about DRL. So I'm going to start DRL here. So let us start understanding about the DRL operations now. So this DRL operations basically comes under, have you executed that last class? Everybody not saying. Now I got a doubt about you. Big doubt is there with you. So the number one doubt, can I say? Doubt, that is a confirmed. You did not install Oracle, correct? Installed? Not installed. I know. By looking at 70% of the students, I got confirmation. You did not install Python. Oracle. Correct? Installed? Working? Okay. Now, a link. So they are asking link. They are keeping one side compromising thing. SAR did not give link. That's why I did not install. So I got yesterday, 8:30, I got a link after my class. Mayank, I will keep that link in Google Drive. Today I will keep it. So I'll keep that link in today Google Drive. You try to install. So now I will move to the further DRL. So I'm asking in this class, who did not install Oracle so far? Raise your hands. To me, you should not tell lies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 members did not install. Who installed and working? Executing programs? Okay. So, okay, good. Who did not install, did not touch the laptop? No such work of Python with Python communication with Oracle. Anybody? Okay. So anyhow, students, you do that. So try to execute. I'll keep the link, and with that link, Shar did not keep the link. That's why I did not keep like that, that you don't think like that. Because I said in the day one only, I'm not responsible for your Oracle installation process. Database faculty has to tell how to install the database things. So let it be. Even I'm helping you in giving that link of Oracle installation. Shall we move to the further now? DRL queries I am going to talk. In DRL, we have, this is also SQL related only. In DRL, what is this? In DRL, we have select statement. We have select query, select, SELECT, select query. So what is the use of this query? The select query is used for, or the DRL query is used for, I'll write the select query in the bracket DRL is used for reading or obtaining list of records from tables, from table. The select query, that is called a DRL, is used for reading or obtaining list of records from the table. I already said to you students, 3 levels I said. One is called what, ma? Physical level, logical level or conceptual level, view level. Suppose government decided to results announcement after 1 week. What they will do? They will create a table with a result table. Result table they will create or not? In the result table, what they will give you? First column, hall ticket number, student name, parent, father name, mother name, section 1 marks, section 2, section 3, total marks they will give or not. And this is called table creation. After the table creation is over, what the people will do? They will enter the records. All the people's records they will enter. So table is ready with what? Full of records. Correct or not? Full of records, they will go for it. Full of records they insert it. Then they will release the result. What you will do? You will go to the results announcement is over. You will go to browser www.ts.gov.some something like that. You will get one form, right? There is a HTML form. They will write it. In that form, you will enter hall ticket number and you will say submit. That is one Django application. You can feel that it is a Django application. You will write results view.html, one form you will write. And you will configure in MVT architecture, settings.py, something like urls.py, manage.py, that are the settings in our MVT of Django. There you will go to what? That submit, when you say, it will go to server-side application. There is a Django server, it will go. Django framework, it will go. Where you are writing server-side programming using Python. Either a class-based view or a functional-based view you will write. Class-based view means what? Using whoops, which I'm starting the next topic. Or you can write functions also, you will write functions. There you will receive your hall ticket number. With that hall ticket number, you will connect to what? Oracle database or MySQL database, send your hall ticket number and select the other things. Into server, the Django application. Django application will send in the form of table to the browser and the browser will show the result. How many applications are interacting there? One UI, there is a HTML form sending to Django application. There you are writing the Python code in the server side. That Python program communicates with what? Database. There is a model view template, MVT architecture you will follow. There the model will give you the result back and that result will be shown to the browser. This is 3 tiers. 3 layers are there in the program. That is known as what? 3-tier application we can call. Able to follow? Now I'm going to take students further. I'm moving to that. Viewing is nothing but what? Getting the results. So such a type of retrieving the data from the database, we go for what? select operation, I will use it. So many examples I will tell you, students. Let us follow. So this select having some number of syntaxes are there. I'll tell you some 4 syntaxes. I'll tell you. Look at that. Syntax number 1. Syntax number 1. Look at ma. In the coding, I'll tell you many syntaxes. Select. Select is the query. Select. Table is containing what? Column. Which column you want? Column 1, column 2, comma what? So on what? Column n. Column n. From is a keyword. From which table? Table name. Table name. This will give you semicolon. This will give you all the records. Like daily we used to do or not. Let us go to my database. Let us go to the database. Here I'm going to take up Oracle database here. Here I'm going to enter this place. I'll take my style, my font here. Then like this, I'm taking say system here and I'm taking manager here. Now select ENO. Already you know DESC. DESC. What are the students? Employee. Description. I want to go. These are columns. I want to get it. Select ENO, comma, E name from where? Employee. No need to take what indices of my records. You can query the data easily from database, I said. By using what names? Column names. See students, what happens? Name only. It is a name, not e-name, students. It is a name from this place. I got it what? ENO name. Am I getting or not? This is my records, got it. Now I'm going to take up now. This is the data, I got it. Next I want to get it. I want to get it next comma, what I'm saying? Cell. I got the salary here. It's not necessary to take in the same order. If you want, you can get it what? COMP name. COMP name. Company name, I'm going to say. Company name also coming. That means all the column names I'm taking. Instead of writing all the column names, select a star. Star means what? All. From which table? That's all. Select a star. All the columns of employee will be coming. As the same result is coming or not? So this is called a second syntax. Second syntax is saying what, you know? I say here, syntax number 2. Here I am saying select. Here I am writing star. I am writing star says what? Star says what? All. Shravanti, I said Namma. After the class is over, I will give you the link. Link I will give you today. I will tell you the link. Okay, na? So beginning only I said. Today also I'm saying. This is the syntax. Next I'm going to say in this place, go to the Oracle once again. I want to get the name of this employees. I want to get all the employee details whose salary is more than 3 lakhs. More than 3 lakhs salary employed people I want. How do I write it? Select E name and a salary from where? Employee where? Sal greater than what? 3.0. 3.0. E name. What is this? Name. I need to take a name only. Name. I'm getting Dennis, Strostrup, Donald, Anand is having more than this. Less than that, who is having? I want to get it. Less than that, I want to get it. Other people are having what? Less than this. I hope you are following. This is related to what? Less than this. This is more than that. Is it a conditional basis or not? I'm taking certain columns. I will write it here. This syntax number 3. I'm taking syntax number 3. Taking syntax number 3. Select column 1, column 2 from table name. What is this now? Where condition. Where condition. I can write it. You know, condition means what? True or false. So salary greater than this one. If we say select star from employee, if I write sal greater than this one, I said here name. If you follow me, say 5.6. 5.6 greater than 3.0. Yes, true. Retrieve this data. Other thing, no, not retrieved, not retrieved, retrieved, not retrieved. These are all satisfied true, retrieve the data. Otherwise, don't get it. I hope you are getting it. Less than that also I'm getting students. Less than that also I'm getting. These are the other than that we got it. Are you able to follow? This is about with the condition. If you want to get everything, I'm just writing something like this. Select star from with the condition only. I'm getting all the details. Whose salary less than 0 like this. I want to get everything greater than this, greater than that. I'm getting everything. This is related to star with the condition. Are you following? This is syntax number 4. Syntax number 4. This is 4. Now I'll move to the further. How we can execute? Same. Selecting all the records. Selecting the records based on what? Condition. Able to get it or not? Now I am going to execute these programs. So how we are going to use it? Now I'm going to enter. Look at students. Now I'm going to write it. To execute this DRL query, what we will do? Connection importing, getting connection, cursor, everything same or not? Online students. Now say cur dot, tell me, what is my query here? Select query is equal to, tell me students, select star from where? Employee. This is my query, correct or not? This is the query. Execute the query. How to execute? Select execute of SQ. This query, this statement going to where? Going from where? This query, this statement. Cursor dot execute of SQ is going from which program? Python program to where? Oracle. It goes to Oracle. That Oracle engine will retrieve this query, execute it, and bring that entire records kept into where? Cursor. First record, second record, all the records will be kept and bring to where? Python program. So in cursor, what is present? All the records are present. All the records are present. That records are coming from where? Python program. Oracle database to where? Python program. I mean, here I am writing after executing, see students, after executing, here I am writing, after executing the above statement, cursor object contains all the records from where? All the records of what? Table. All the records of table available in which program? Python program. How it is available, you know, student? I will say select star from employee. All these records are coming now. All these records are coming. How it is available? I'm just pasting here. These are my records, students. Careful. Everybody must be careful enough in getting. Understand this carefully. So I'm writing like this. So here. So I'm writing. This is like this. I'll say this data properly. Proper arrangement. So this is my data, students. These are my company names, salaries here, and this is salary column. And next is called what? Company name. Here it is available. I hope you are getting me. These are my columns. This is my entire records where these are all present in. These are all present in where? This entire set of data present in where? Cursor. This is a record. This is a total picture is there in the cursor object. In this things, please be careful. This is called what? Column names. In your understanding way, what is this is called? Column names. This is also called here metadata. Spell out metadata. In your college days, you learn computer science students learn metadata in DBMS. Who is computer science students here? BTech CSC. BTech CSC. Okay. Metadata you learn. Metadata. You learn DBMS? No? You learned or not? Learned? Huh? No? Okay. Say answer. No, na, yes, sir. No. Okay. Over. Today, new batch started. Who is BTech CSC students? Raise the hand. Raise the hand. I said stand up. First question. After that, after 20 minutes, who is BTech says everybody like this. Known people did not raise. New people came now, they raised two hand. One student raised a big hand. Okay, mobile keeping and raised like this. That person only like catched today. Keeping mobile and raising the hand like this. That person is important today. He said, finally, he kept the mobile in the packet. Finally, he did not say anything. So, that type of candidates, if I take once now, others will set right automatically. Why unnecessarily you will ask questions like. So, okay, students, no problem. So, this is called what? Column names. Column names. After that, what? Metadata. Metadata. I don't know, students, why they will immediately within half an hour, they will set right like anything. Actually, beginning before I come to the class, they're sitting like this, keeping the chair on chair like that, keeping something. But after half an hour class is over, I don't know, everybody is keeping the hands like that and sitting. I don't know why that is. Anything, I'm asking because you are very close to me. Already you have seen a lot of things. Why that happens? Respect. Is it? Huh? Ma? Subject. Okay. Anybody else? Anything else? Okay. Anyhow, you know. Okay, students, come to the topic. This is called what area? This area. This area is called what? Record area. This is called record area. This is called record area. This is called record area. First, I will concentrate on which area? Record area I will concentrate. I will separately in the same class, I'll tell you metadata. Combined program, I will tell you about what? Column names and then what? Record area combined example. So, in order to get this cursor record area, cursor is pointing to both metadata area plus what? Record area. Both of them I want to get it. So, in order to get the data from where? Cursor object. To get the data from cursor object, now I am writing the next line. To get the data, to get the records from where? From which object? Cursor object. We have three predefined functions. Three predefined functions present in which object? Cursor object. NumPy functions, pandas functions, cursor functions. Sir, how many functions? In C language, how many functions you know? 8 functions. Printf, scanf, CLR, SCR, strlen, strcpy, strcmp, strcat. 8 or 9. But in NumPy, pandas, matplotlib, pickling, unpickling, database, multi-threading, networking is not a student can remember. If you remember, you are definitely number one or not. Think about it. Is it not enough to prove that you are getting more than everybody? You know everything. That's why do more work. Right. Now, see students. Now I'm going to say to get the records from the cursor object, we have three predefined functions present in cursor object. What are those? Number one, fetch one. Spell out. Fetch one. The name itself says it will fetch record by record. Biscuit packet. Good day biscuit packet. 6 biscuit packets are there. How you will take? Use method. Fetch one. Like that you will fetch or not? Fetch one. Last, no, nothing is there. Fetch one returns what? None. False, no. Fetch one returns none. Fetch one returns first biscuit, second biscuit, last, no biscuit. Fetch one returns none. None indicates what? No value present. False, no, none. That is what you have to think. By learning these many functions now, you should have almost 85% decision what will be the result. Correct or not? So I am getting value by value. If no value present, fetch one will return what? None. No value will return. I'll tell you. So fetch one returns one record at a time. That record will come in the form of tuple. Tuple format it will come. If the record is there, that record will come in tuple format. If no record is present, returns what? None. Returns either a tuple, Record exist. In the case of what? Record exist. I'll show the example, separate example. None in the case of what? No record exist. I'll show the explanation also, don't worry. Second, fetch what? Many. Fetch many. You are writing what? Number of records. Number of records. 6 o'clock came. 8 o'clock feeling more angry. Purchased immediately biscuit packet. Opened. One you will eat. Fetch 3. You will eat at a time. Fetch of 3. 3 biscuits eat. Something cool. After that, one by one, one by one. Fetch one like that. What it is called? Fetch many. There I will tell you 4 or 5 cases I will tell you. Fetch, if I say 3, what will come? 3 records will come. If I say 2, 2 records will come. Like head function, tail function we have now. Like that. Immediately have comparison, student. So that if you link everything now, you'll have full knowledge. In NumPy pandas, we use head and tail or not. Head of parameter, head of without parameter, tail with parameter, tail without parameter. Compare with that. And you'll have full length, total conclusion you will get it. So that will give you much pleasant knowledge. While going on the way, functions remembering. While you are sitting in hotel, functions remembering. Eating, functions remembering. Talking, functions remembering. Even in dream also, if you say tail function, head function like that, in dreaming also, your parents will say, oh, he's a Pythonist now, that's why he's getting like that. Have you done like that anytime? Okay. Now coming to the point of it, third one I'm talking. Fetch many number of records. There I will talk. This will returns. What is the record? Tuple. More number of records, list of tuples. That will come in where? List. So tuples of list. Tuple is called what? Record. Kept in one place. It is called list. Returns what? Tuples of what? List. Tuples of list it returns. Already you know tuples of list of tuples, list of dictionaries. Already we are master. When I said beginning days, 5th class only I said. That 5th class is coming in our tuples, pandas level. You see dictionary in dictionary. Easy na? Suppose if I did not tell you that a dictionary in combination is NumPy and pandas easier, difficult? Very complex it is. You go to any data science, it will almost cover 60% of my NumPy pandas only will be there. Rest of them dead easy for you. Just remember my pandas level. Next is called what now? Fetch. One more thing called what? Fetch. What? Fetch all. Fetch all. You purchased, only 5 rupees is there. 5 small biscuit packet is there. Removed everything, eating everything at once. Hungry, more feeling hungry. That is called what? Fetch all. Fetch all returns what? Completely. What is this now? List of tuples. Tuples of list only will come. All of them will come in that. So, coming to the point of it. What more? Devi, Vanilla. Sir, yesterday it happens to me, sir. When I am trying to remembering, my voice came out. I'm trying to remember. My voice came out from my vocal. My father asked me what you are saying. He asked me, sir. Exactly, it happens to me, sir. Yes. So some students will be there who fully immense with Python. Girls is an example. Offline girls, is it happened with you? No, WhatsApp, all these things, YouTube, something, what to do, what not to do, everything will come. Okay, ma, keep it up. Nice to listen. Now, fetch all. What is this now? Tuples. And fetch all returns what? If no records are there, it returns what? Empty. What it returns? Empty list. How do you know that records are there or not? Fetch all returns length of the list is greater than 0. Records are there. If the fetch of all length of that is 0, I can say no records are there. You know, empty list, non-empty list, na? That is only the thing. I will give you examples for each thing. I'll tell you first example. First example, second example, third example, metadata example, metadata plus record 5 examples on this part will go. Shall we open the notes? Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Usharani, good ma, good. Keep it up. So you are summarizing everything. Nice. So write a Python program. Write a Python program which will write a Python program which will read all the records of a table, which will read all the records of a table, which will read all the records of a table by using number one, fetch one, fetch one, fetch one, number two, fetch many in the bracket, number of records, fetch many, number of records, fetch all, fetch all. That's all. Don't need not write a none or something like this. I'll give you full length documentation. Are you able to understand first? How many functions are there in cursor object? 3. Spell out. Fetch one, fetch many of records, fetch all, fetch all. These 3 functions are present in which object? Cursor object. Is it not processing my results? Go to my place. Here I am having communication with this. Now see students, every Python program must process the result coming from where? Database software. After getting my records, I'll process it or not? By using fetch one, fetch many, fetch all. Fetch many, 5 cases I will tell you. Let me go to the program. Online students, I'll go to PyCharm. Go to PyCharm. Okay, now it is ready. My program is ready. I'll go to this now, close it. All these things is done. Now go to this place. Now I'm going to take it. Select records example 1.py. Select record. Select record example 1.py. Select record example 1.py. There I am taking program for reading or selecting the records from which table? Employee table. Any table name you take, students. Then I am going to take up. Tell me now how to do it. Same procedure. As I told you, import Oracle DB as ORC. And don't ask me ORC is a keyword or something. Stale. That is a stale. As you are cutting is here everything bypass road and here you will keep something like that or not. It's a stale like ORC. NumPy as NP like that. You take your own name, no problem. So DEF what? Come on, select records. Select records. There I will write. Try I will write it and except I will make system ready. Here ORC dot database error as DB. There I will say what? Problem in database. Problem in Oracle. I will say Oracle. I am going to say comma what? DB I said. Now I am going to say here I need to write it. ORC dot I will take it. Tell me students, ORC dot init of, that is enabling the thin mode enabling. Now I will say con is equal to ORC dot connect of system slash manager dot localhost of XE. Now I will say cor is equal to con dot cursor of. Now query directly I will execute cor dot execute of select a star from, students, select a star from where? Employee. Select star from employee. The moment when you get this select star from employee, what happens? The picture I wrote it or not? In this place, I just wrote the picture for you. This is the picture it is going to come. Everything is holding in where CUR. The moment when you use fetch related functions, it is come to which area? Record area. The moment when I go to metadata, I will tell you one more function, one attribute name I will tell you. Attribute name, function names, class names, total things you observe it, module, collection of what? Variables. That is called properties. That is called attributes, functions, class names. Inside the class names, functions are available. We'll come to oops, that will be more clear again. So now I want to go for these records. How do I get it? Watch it now. I'll write it. After this, I can write one simple thing. All the records of employee table are present in which object? Cursor object. How do I get it? Here I am going to write it. Tell me. CUR dot. What is this now? Fetch one. It returns REC. What is the type of REC? Print of REC, comma, type of REC. Print of, I'm writing here, print of REC, comma, type of REC. Which type of record will come? As I told you that our file pointer points to where? File pointer is an object of IO text, IO dot text IO wrapper. It is an object. IO points to where I am asking. IO points to by default to where? File name it is pointing. Okay. In file name, what is their data? 0 index it is pointing. 0 indexing. Not remembering. Random access file. TP.tell. What did it print? 0. Initial index. I wrote it already. After that, I read row sum. 6 characters. Where it is pointing? 6th. Already explained. Not remembering. Like a file pointer, my cursor also will look like that. Generalization required. So once we listen one topic, comparison is required. Connect both of them, see the clarity, and that is easily understandable. So REC, comma, this thing, the cursor is pointing. The moment when you call fetch, our cursor point to the record area. First record will come, it will print. The moment when first record fetching, CUR will move to the next record. Playlist is there in your media player. Once one song is over, it will come automatically to second record or not? That indicator will be there or not? Second song is over, go to third song or not? What is that now? Automatically moving to forward. Same thing here also. Run this now. So call this function now. Function call you say main program. Generalize your subject. Make your language as total one conclusion you come. Function call. Try to run it. You are getting first record. Dennis. This is my first record. Dennis. This is my first record. Even here, this is my first record. Here, Dennis, first record. CUR object is pointing there. Tuple format it is coming. Next, what I do? Copy, paste. Again, REC is equal to what? Come on. CUR dot. Fetch one. Again, what is coming? Print of what? REC. What record will come? Second record will come. Second record, tuple only. Now, copy, paste. Type of what? REC. Now, students, I will paste it. No problem. Run this, third record coming. Next, I will go for fourth record. Also run it. Because if I show like this now, you may feel that, sir, 1000 records are there, 1000 times writing is a waste of time. How to reduce it? You will learn the logic. Beginning only myself writing logic, you cannot build the logic. First observe the code. Now see that. Go to this place, run this code. Getting other record or not? Donald came, Donald. That is almost here. Next is called what again? You try to write again. One more record is coming. Here I am getting Anand. Anand is the last but one, I think so. Next you write one more. You write it. See that last record also came. Rajkumar also came. Now last, this is the one you need to carefully observe. That time you are going to get what? None. None is going to come. When none comes, what will happen? I have to stop. Now you are understanding. Read first record. Is it none? No. Print it. Next record. Is it none? Print it. Print it, print it, print it. None came. None not equal to none. Stop. Stop. Now I'm going to write a beautiful logic. Will you write this many times? Fetch one, fetch one, fetch one? I never write. How many times I'll write? Come on, how do you write? While true. Beautiful. While true. Do what? Do what? See that. REC is equal to what? COR dot. Fetch one. Fetch one off. Fetch one off. If REC not equal to what? None. REC not equal to none. Some indentation problem. REC not equal to none. That means what is the first record coming? First record type is what? Tuple. Tuple not equal to none. Tuple not equal to none. Tuple none ku not equal kaadu. Avunu. You don't know Telugu, you don't know English, Hindi. You know only one language. That is a WhatsApp. Print what? REC. Else, I will write it here. Else. What I will do? Break, I will say. When the break is, when it is not equal to, you will say break. Are you able to follow? Simple. Did you understand what happens this entire thing? So here, and something is try, else. It's a very big headache, this indentation. I don't like this. Huh? What is that? Except ORC as DB printer. This is not good language. This is not a correct language. So, మొత్తం this పడేద్దాం ఒకసారి. I don't want to irritation. So this is the else. Come out of that. Come out of that. Write what? ORC dot database error as DB. As DB. Say what? Print off. Same problem. Huh? Now it is okay. This is not good. Print off problem in Oracle. Problem in Oracle. Comma what? DB. Comma DB. That's it. So try to run this now. When the last part is none is coming, first record coming, while true continuously first record type is what? Tuple. Tuple not equal to none. True. True printing what? That record. Go to where? While loop. Second record getting tuple. Tuple not equal to none. Print it, print it, print it. Last record also none. True. None is coming. None not equal to none. False. False means what? Else it is saying what? Break. Break, come out of that loop. Execute. Go to this place. Here only you execute. So there you try to run it. You got all the records. Getting or not? It is in the form of what? Tuple. To print the tuple values properly, if you are very much interested, you can say what? For value in where? REC. Print what here? \t. Say what? Dot format of what? Value. Value means what will come here? This value will come. 30 will come. This is called a record or not? First, what will come? 30. I will print adjacent to that Dennis, adjacent to that 5.6, adjacent to that BLU. After finishing that record values, I have to bring to the next line for next record values to display or not. For that, I am writing comma, end is equal to what again? \t. That for loop is for first tuple values. Once one record is over, I have to bring the cursor to down to go to the next record. So I will say what now? I'll say what now? Print off. Print off is for what? Print off is for what? To bring the cursor down for next record. Try to run this now. Try to run this now. Are you getting or not? This is comes under all the things. Now, dear students, before that, I'll write this line here. Say 50. 50 I wrote it. In the break time, I will write one more 50. Here also I'll write 50. Try to run it. We are getting complete things. And even here, people don't know 30, 40, 25, 35, etc. People don't know what is that employee numbers. People don't know Dennis, Hunter, and etc. are called what? Employee names. Database level it is there, but in my Python program, I don't have. But in my place of this application, there is a metadata is there or not? I'll tell you very soon how to get the data also. Online students, did you understand up to here? Did you understand up to here? This is called which function? Please respond, students. This is called which function? Fetch one. Fetch one over. Fetch one returns what? Tuple. In the case of record existing, otherwise returns what? None. None says what? No record exists. This is fetch one. Now I'm going to what? Fetch many. Shall I go to fetch many? Look at. Now I'm going for fetch many. Careful, online students. Now I'm saying here fetch many. Example2.py. Guys, take care. Now I'm going to take this place. 2.py. 2.py. There I'm talking. Fetch many. Fetch many. Be careful. Here I'm going to remove this entire stuff. Remove. Remove. Now I'm going to write the code freshly. Records are there in cursor or not? Execute. How to execute? Sometimes I don't want all the records. I want only 3 records. Only 3. Like df dot head of what? 3. Series object dot head of 3. Not, I don't want 5. First 5. I want only 3, 2 like that. df dot what? Fetch many. Fetch many of. Fetch many of what? 3. 3. This will give you what? Records. Records is equal to, you say, 2 only you say for your clarity purpose to see. What is this now? Records, comma what? Type of records. Type of records. Execute. Now you are getting. See, students. This is called one tuple. This is called another tuple of which one? List. This is called a list. It's very simple for me. This is known as what? List in, tuple in list. Already we know this entire thing now. List in list, tuple in tuple, all combinations, you know. Right. Go to what I'm writing. Be careful. 3. How many will come? 3 will come. 3 are coming. That I want to print like this. How do you print? For record in records. For record in records. For record in records. Print of what? Come on. Record. Record. I'm just printing record. How many records printed? 3 records printed. Got it? 3 records printed. Now be careful. 3 records. How many records totally? How many records totally? 7. What is my value I specified here? 3. Be careful. My 3 greater than what? 0. Number of specified records. Number of specified record. NSR less than what? Number of records. How many number of records? My number of records are greater than 0 and less than 7. How many will come? All 3 records will come. Getting? Okay. Be careful. I am saying 5. 5. How many records will come? 5 records are coming. Be careful. Now I am writing 50. I am writing 50. 50. Answer my question. Answer my question. Option A. Option A. Index error. Option A. Index error. Option B. All records. All records. Option B. Type error. Option D. Syntax error. Come on. Guessing or applying any subject. Indexing. Is cursor object is maintaining indexing? You are applying like that? Okay. Somehow correct answer, but internal is wrong. Explanation is wrong. So that point is, it takes first record, second record. Cursor contains what? Cursor object never maintains indexing. You cannot write a CUR of 0:3. You cannot write like that. That is called indexing and slicing. Correct or not? It like a file pointer. Records are first record, second record, third record. I'll tell you the beautiful reason for you. Internal point I will say. What is this now? First record, second record, third record. Oracle architecture maintains record number for every record. Select row num. These are all you need to learn in MySQL. Select row num from where? Employee. For every record, internally, one index will maintain. See that? It is having what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Like our pandas data frame indices, column indices, Oracle also maintains that a tabular format indices will maintain in the form of row num. Row num is one of the pseudo column. Pseudo column. Neither predefined keyword nor programmer defined. It is a pseudo column. Next. There is one more thing is there. Row ID will be there. Row ID. Row ID. What is the row ID format? Row ID format is the hexadecimal format. All of them same. Last one you see C, D, E, F, I, G, K. Everything same. Everything same. Last one is different. Are you following this? This is called row ID. Row ID. So that part you don't worry. Don't worry about Oracle. First worry about this Python. So coming to the point back, records. Now I'm going to get this. So this is not going to be started from first record, second record, third record, fourth record, fifth record, sixth record, seventh record. 8 to 9, 10 not there. It will not print anything. It will print what records? All records. All records. Are you following? Good. What is my number of records? More than number of records are 7, but my specified number of records are 50. When my number of specified records are more than number of records, you will get all the records. Case number 2. Case number 1. 0 less than number of specified records less than number of records. You will get number of specified records. Second case. My number of specified records is more than number of records. It will give you what? All the records. Case number 2. Case number 3. Be careful. Now I am writing what? 0. 0. What happens? Fetch many of 0. Come on. What is that? Now I am saying first record. B, all records. C, no records. D, syntax error. Good. First record. Raise the hands. Wrong answer. Come on. No records, raise the hands. Slowly observing what is the face feelings of sir. Slowly like that. Okay. Now I'm going to say it will not give you what? Any records. There I will tell you. In the case of what? Oracle DB module, whenever I call fetch many of 0, it will not give you any records. When you call this under what? CX underscore Oracle, it will give you all the records. If I am taking an interview, I will ask this question. If I call this statement with CX underscore Oracle cursor object, what will be the answer? If I call this statement with Oracle DB, what will be the answer? First of all, people don't know. First of all, this question is too much specific. Then answer is what? Look at that. What is the answer? No records. Let me go to the same thing. I'll go to keep this comment. Keep this comment. Import what? CX underscore Oracle. CX underscore Oracle as ORC. CX underscore Oracle. I need to import it. I need to install or not? Install. So this I should not take it. This I should not take it. Now I need to install or not? Install. Go to where? File, settings, settings. Go to your place. Because in my Python interpreter, no such thing. CX underscore not there. Say what? Plus or pip. Plus. Say what? CX hyphen. CX small. If you type your own capital C, capital X, like your own internet language, problem. CX hyphen what? Oracle. It is there. Anthony. So there you try to say. Abdul, Syed Abdul Ahad. Sir, please start the classes from 6:30 p.m. because we are not able to join 6:10 p.m. because I have to open our fast. Okay, ma. My dear student, it is correct, but my dear student, please contact once to admin. If you tell them, if I say that timing, they feel that something different, you tell them because students say the reason, they will definitely consider your reason. Syed, please talk to them so that they will consider your reason. Right. Now I'll go for what? CX underscore Oracle. Install the package. Install the package. Done. Installed. So coming to this, say close and say OK. Now say OK. Now I will go to this place. Now run this. Shall I run it? Say now fetch many of what? 0. Which one? Run this. See, my dear students. What came? All. Oracle DB, fetch many, CX underscore Oracle, all. So function is same, effect is different. Company name same, tablet is working differently. Doctor must know. If the doctor is Shankar the MBBS, garbage collector will collect away. Doctor should be perfect. So coming to the point back. Are you following this? Let us bring back to, go to next, bring back to this place only. Go back to this place. Now I say here, what is this next? ORC dot init of, see, I can convert any of the mode which you like it. Answer is what? No. That also I mentioned in my documentation. Well, next up, I am going to ask you one beautiful question. I don't write anything inside. I don't write anything inside. Option A, all records. Option A, all records. Option B, no records. Option C, value error. Option D, syntax error. Sorry, type error. Huh? Come on. Which error? Don't look at me. If you look at me, I'm fearing a lot. Actually, when all students look at me, I will fear a lot. When you look at on the screen, I will feel comfortable. When all of them looking at me, I will feel fear for it. Come on, answer. All? Huh? Type? What answer? All? All records. Oh. Type error. Good. Who said this? Raise your hands. Type error. Wrong answer. Huh? All records. Raise hands. Guessing, huh? Guessing, huh? Like that. And if I something says wrong, like that. Compromising like that. Okay, let it be. At least raise a hand and I'm adjusting my hair like that. Okay, no problem. Rise, done this. See, students. It will give you what? All records. Nothing is specified. What happens? All records. 0 specified in CX underscore Oracle in Oracle DB. Now, okay, this is fourth case. Now I'm going to write it. -1. See how many cases are there. -1. I will write it. Option A. Last record. Last record. Option B. First record. Option C. Value error. Option D, syntax error. Good. What is that? Wrong, that is. Wrong. Come on. Very good. Who said last record? Really correct. Is it wrong? Come on. Syntax error. Wrong. Wrong. No records. See that. No records. No records. You don't come, sir. No option is there. Don't try to apply that elimination process method. If I am asking question, I'll ask a dash. I'll say fill in the blank only. Fill in the blank. I like it very much. So, are you following me? How many cases I said? 5 cases. So, that I'll explain. This now I am saying, right, online students, are you careful students? Now I am saying 4. 4, let us run. Are you understanding students? Did you understand all these things which I explained? Now write this as now. Come on now. What is this now? Value in where? Record. And now print what? \t and say what? Dot format of value, comma, end is equal to \t. End is equal to \t. Bring the cursor to next line. Loop in a loop. First loop bring the record. Second loop will bring the values in the record and printing. Execute it. Now I got all the records. How many records? 4. Because I specified what? 4 records. Got it or not? Well, go to the next online students. Are you comfortable? Are you comfortable with this? Now, I will move to the fetch menu. Now I'll go to fetch all. Fetch all says what? I'll show you the cases. How many cases I said? 5 cases I said. Now I will go to, this is called fetch menu. Same thing, I'm going to third example. See students, I'll go to this place. Here I'm taking 3.py. 3.py I'm taking. Here I will carry this now. Say 3.py. Here I'm writing 3.py I'm taking. What I'm using now? Fetch all. Fetch all I am going to take up. You observe it. Here I'm writing fetch all, which is very simple. Fetch all will give you what? All the records. Easy. And that will come in the form of what? List of tuples. List of tuples will, tuples of list, yes. So it will see all the records coming. You want to see that? You can see this. You keep it a code here. You say this entire thing, you keep a comment. Multi-line comment, you keep it. Multi-line comment, you keep it. There you say here, print of what? Records, comma, type of what? Records. Type of records. Keep it, type of records. I hope you are understanding. Run this code. Now I got all the records. I got all the records. First record, second record, all the records I got it. All the records. Which is of which type? List type. So we don't like to print that in that format. I want to print complete things line by line. I want to print value by value. I want to print it. So here I'll say, let us, I hope, again, print off. A very big problematic language this is. Line number. Line number 13. I don't like this. So done. It's nothing is there, only space pressing tab and Ladika. Okay, done. It's not good. Okay, now we got the answer. Are you following? Now, my point is, somebody will ask a question. This is my data which is available here. Select star from employee. Select star from employee. This is my data. I'm asking, somebody asked me, please print the names of, please print the details of employee based on ascending order of the salaries. ascending order of the salaries. Based on ascending order of the salaries. Understood that? For that, what you will do? Look into that. Same example, online students. I am going to say, take care, easy, 4.py, 4.py, copy this entire thing. See this now, 4.py. In the query only, actual query is, whether they taught in MySQL or not, I don't know. MySQL is completed. Completed. 8 classes or 6 classes, that is what I'm worrying about. They have to explain everything. So select from where, group by, having, order by. This is a query structure. This is a query structure. Because I'm not a Oracle faculty to explain everything. If I start again 2 months, 3 months like that. Select from where you know. Group by, no need to worry. Having, no need to worry. Order by your column name. By default, that order by column name will give you ascending order. If you write column name followed by what? DESC. DESC stands for what? That will give you descending order. If you write what? If you don't write anything, which is by default what? ASC. ASC. What is ASC? Ascending order. Because you are already masters in full forms. You will understand like anything. Employee. What is this now? Order by. Order by what? Cell. Order by cell. Come on, run. Beautiful. Huh? Order by. Order by cell. Okay. Got it. Order by space. Am I getting? What is that order? Ascending order of salaries. Getting, students? You can apply here also. Order by what? Cell. Order by cell. Order by cell. DESC. Descending order. Highest to lowest. Ronald. 6.9, 5.6 like that. Are you following? Like that. Now I am getting this one. Go for what? Order by name. Alphabetical order. Ascending order. Who will come? Anand, A capital. Dennis, D, H, K, R, Ronald, R. A is there, O is there, R first. Stop. Yes. Are you following? Like that. Order by employee number. Anything. ENO. Order by ENO. Anything. See that. 25, 30, 35, 40, 43, 55, 60. Easy or difficult? Easy. So this is by, if you want by salary, I want to get what? Highest drawing salary. Order by cell. Highest drawing employee details only I want. Highest employee salary details only I want. So keep it that. Now I want to go for this part. Highest salary employee details I want. Very simple. 4.py. What happens? 4 only, huh? 4 only. That is 5.py. I will take it. You need to think. And I hope you are ready with result. So 5.py. Go to this place. Highest salary details I want. 5.py. Now I am getting order by salary. Now I want. I will remove this. Okay, let it be. I will take up that. Everything is coming there. I will bring from there. This part you take it. This you remove it. Now I want. Total details are presented where? Records. Records is which type? Madhubabalu, list type I said now. Ascending order means what? Last one is called highest or not? Last one, how do you take it? Last one, how do you take? -1. Students, print of what? Records of what? -1. Records of -1. See that? Run this now. Who is the person last? Ronald. You execute. See that. Order by sal. Ronald is the highest salaried employee. Are you following? Last but one. Who is the next highest? Next highest. Next highest I want. What is that now? -2 colon. Next highest to highest. Next highest to highest. Anand, Ronald. You see, Anand and Ronald are the next highest. Are you following? Like that. How do you get the highest details? It is your own choice. So I will take up what now? For record. Come on. For value. For value in where? Record of. For record in. For records. Records only. What I'm taking? Only -1. -1 means what? Lost. Lost. What I will print? Print what? \t. \t. I will say this entire thing. Dot format of what? Value. End. End is equal to what? \t. Try to run it. Try to run it. See this now. So you are going to get it. Only that person. And you need to bring that next line. So I can just say what here, you know. Print off. Print off I can say. So you got it. Done. Are you following? Easy or difficult? Easy. So this is the highest drawn employee. So I can say print what? Highest. Highest. Sal EMP details. EMP details. Because they are coming in the form of like this. And we got the data. I hope you are getting. That's it. Now I'm going to talk about this entire thing. We are talking about what? Records. We want to talk about what? Come on. Suppose, okay, one more question I am asking. Sir, okay, you are saying one more question, one small point. That is my doubt I am asking you. I just want to clarify from you. So I want to print. You are selecting everything, sir. Nice, sir. But I want to select what? I want to take only employee names and salaries only. I want to print, sir. Name and salary only. 6.py. Salary. Name and salary only I want to print that time. Records. Records got it. Records. What I want. From this place. What I want to get it. From that place. What I will get it. Number. Name. That is there at where? One index. And what? Salary. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. What I'll write it? 1:3. 1:3. I'm printing that. Yes. Run it. What is coming? What is this is coming here? So there I should not write. There I should not write it. Here I should write it. Here I should write it. Inner loop I need to write. So inner loop will say what? Getting or not? First one you will say what you will get it. 1 to 2 records only will come. But all records I want. But those values only I want. Getting or not? Fine. I want alternative records. : 2. : 2. Here : 2. Top of it. : 2. Top of it. : 2. Alternative records. Alternative records. See that. : Rajkumar. Now you see. Select star from Rajkumar. Next key name. Dennis. Ronald. See that. Rajkumar, Kinney, Dennis, Ronald. I want the reverse. : -1. You can go to our flashback. That is everything is heaven. Understood? Like that. If you go to that place, if you write like this, you can say, and here I'm going to take it what? 1: 3. 1: 3. It will give you that values, names and this part. Are you following? Like this. So because here you are applying what? Indexing and slicing operations. Okay, students? Well, now I'm going to take up online students. I hope you are following me. Now I'm concentrating on which one? Metadata. Metadata I'm going to explain. Metadata, shall we go? Right. What is metadata? Data about data. Good. Who said? Stand up. Data about data. Even I'm remembering while I'm in BE fourth year, we have a project. Project is there for us. First question I asked that examiner. That time, what is practical exams, we need to go to other college. Now, what is happening? In your college, your teacher is there with you. Everybody is with you only. That time, when we were to other college, other stars will come. That college also no. Some other college faculty will come. If you execute the program, then only will pass. Otherwise, supplementary for practicals also. You have to compulsory execute. For every mistake, 1 mark will cut. Program not executing, almost fail only. Almost. Now, metadata. First question asked me, what is metadata? I said immediately, data about data. He asked, what is data? What is metadata? He asked. So I said, something I said. He said, correct. He said, correct. Because my program already executed. He said, correct. Actually, I said wrong. After entering into home, HF Courth is there. One database concept, one textbook is there. I went there and I verified. What I said to the examiner is wrong actually. Because I said, because you don't know subject. By he's looking at my program, I understand. He's saying, I executed. He came to me. He has seen the program. After seeing the program, he is asking one silly question, silly doubt he is asking me. I found out he don't know subject. Then he asked metadata. I said something. He said, okay, correct, he said. Because he already having one opinion. He got output now. Definitely whatever he is answering to his question, he is thinking it is the correct. After I went out, I looked into that. It is the wrong. But he said correct. He gave 50 out of 50 for me in that days. For wrong answer, he gave full marks. So after I went, I looked into that. Data about data. What is data? Collection of raw data. Okay, అది వదిలిపెడదాం. That is what is processed, unprocessed, that is no. Data means what? About data means what? I want that. Name, cell, COMP name, E name is data. Name inside is called what? Dennis, Hunter, etc. This is data na? Is column names data na? Records are data na? Column names are data na? Records? What is this is called? The backside Dharna people are there. Dharna people they are called. Dharna people leader will say Jai, they will say Jindabad, they will say. I said data and they said metadata. And they are applying like how I answered in my engineering. Come on. Okay, tell me. Shravanti, Seema, one database is enough. Either MySQL or MongoDB. Any one is necessary. If you know one database, other database is dead easy. Suppose I know Oracle, MySQL dead easy, MongoDB dead easy, PostgreSQL within 1 hour you will learn it. DB2, if you just look at that and you will understand. Like that. It's very simple. And first of all, you need to look at that first. If you look at, you will understand. If you don't look at, nobody will understand. No? You got confused? Okay, no problem, Sridham. I will tell you. Data means this one. As student said, as you said that this is a data which is available, which is held with ENO, E-name, cell, company name is called data. A simple example I will tell you. Where are you sitting? Classa, Madhubhavla, in the chair. So who is holding you? Chair. Chair is what? Background of yours. You are called data, which is held by the chair. That chair is back support of you. Behind the chair, there is a ground is there. So the internal details of the data to store, what is required? Column names, column names related data types, column names related data types. That is the Oracle data types. That is called what? Metadata. The data which you entered is a data. For that data, about data, for that data to hold, internally column names are there. To store the column names, there is a data types are there. Column names and their data types, and their data types internally will have a number that are called what? Metadata. Are you following? So metadata is called data about data. Easy. Chala బాగుంటుంది that sentence. That sentence is very easy to remember, but elaboration is very useful. Data, records. To store the records, column names. To store the column names, data types. Data types will have the number internally, which is given in the Oracle documentation. I'll show you that. Let me go to that. I'm showing a metadata information I'm applying. Please come to the point. Shall I go? Now let us go to the online students. Come to the point. So now I'm going to say, what is this now? Come to the point. Metadata information. Metadata information. Example1.py. Okay. Come to the point back. Here I'm writing. Program for obtaining what names? Column names of what? Table. Column names of table. Okay, same to same. I'll carry this. I'll paste it. I say here, Shravanti what ma? MongoDB installing, I cannot understand, sir. That's why I prefer MySQL. Many steps are there, sir. Okay, I will keep the link of today. You will get it. I think, Shravanti, you are facing problem in installation, ma. If you are there in Hyderabad, come once to the Naresh IT, ma. We will install in your laptop and we'll make it set right everything. If you are there in Hyderabad, you come to once, ma. I'll allot one person and they will install you and they'll give you everything perfect. Okay. Now I'm going to say, and here we are going to say, select records. Now here I am writing select column names. Select column names. Same thing. You see this entire thing. You try to remove. You say what? Select what? Column names. So column names. Here, anyhow you are executing. Select star from employee. This is a picture of yours. And I am interested in getting the column names. This entire data is present in where? CUR only. In order to get the column names, there is one attribute is there. Get all the column names. Column names by using an attribute. What is that attribute? Description. Spell out. Description. Describe morning different. Describe of is it description. If you get confused here and there, problem. Description attribute. Spell out. Description. Come on. I will write it. CUR dot. What is that now? Description. It is an attribute. A is equal to 2 plus 3j. A dot real. A dot imag. Like that. CUR dot description. CUR dot row count. Like there are some variable names. We used to say attribute names are not. It will return metadata. Metadata is a variable. And don't feel that it is a complex word. Column names. That's all. Print the column names. Print what? Column names. Column names is going to print what? List. Tuples of list. Column name, column type, column data type, internal number. So much of big story will come. Run this. Once you see, a biggest information is coming. You see, E and O, one tuple. Here it is called one tuple. What is E and O? What is E and O? Column name. Don't think too much. What is ENO? Whose database data type is what? Number. Whose internal number data type in Oracle implementation is what? 4. None, 3, 0, false. So much of thing. This is called internal information about what? ENO behind of Oracle. This is metadata. Data, the records. Behind that records to hold some kind of column names. To hold that columns, internally some information is available. And nobody will ask what is that information. If they ask, to show them. Even they also don't know. 100%. Damn sure. Understand? Now, you need to print what? What is your requirement? This is called first tuple. Next, name. Name related things. I'll print them in this way. Come on now. For column name in where? Column names. Print off. Come on. Print off what? Column name. Beautiful. Column name only. Only column name. You are getting the tuple by tuple, tuple by tuple. ENO, E name, cell, company name. In this tuple, what is the index of this part? 0. So I don't need this D type 4, 5, 6, all these indices. No, I want only column names. I will write what here? Column name of what? 0. I need only what? Column names. Okay, run it. It will print what? That column names I want what? Adjacent to each other. Adjacent to each other. Correct or not? How do you write it? Comma, end is equal to \t. What a beautiful subject. Subject. Next, I'll bring the cursor to a new line. I will print overall together \t. Dot format of column name of 0. Column name of 0. End is equal to \t. Bring the cursor down. Here I will write it. Here I will write it. One beautiful line I will write it. Into 50. Into 50. I will take up this. I am writing here. I am saying here. And you say print off. If I don't write print off, here it is going to contain what? Something is there. Again, problem. I don't like this system of adjusting, irritating this is. So here I'm going to say, it's really, it is testing my skills today. Line number 4. What happens in line number 4, my dear student? So close the bracket. Oh, yeah. Divya, correct, ma'am. Okay. So see, got it. One more line I will write it. This I'll write it. If I write it directly, this one, this line will come at the end of the column only. At the end of this one is coming. Are you following this? So this is written here. I wrote it like this. Are you able to get it? Because I am writing print off. So try to run this now. You got it like this. But I want to print it in where? Same line. For that, what I will do? Comma. End is equal to, I wrote it. Print off. Format of. Comma. End of. But I wrote wrong. Comma I need to write. This you remove. That if format you close it. End of. Now see. In the same column, line is coming over there. Bring to where? New line. What I'll write it? There I got stuck up earlier. Now, line. Below the line, what I want? Records. I will take this one. Otherwise, it will give you red line and etc. In this place, I will write the records. In the here, I will display the records. Shall I write the records? This is printing what? Column names. Next one is what? Records I want. Records. Now I will go to records. Records with the column names with what? Records. So take this now. Now I am going to take it. Here I am entering. What is this now? What is this now? Select records with column names dot py, final program. There I will write it. Carry this. Here I am writing. Yes. Program for obtaining column names and what? Records. Select, I'll say here, select records with column names dot py. Come on now. Up to here, column names came or not? Next here, I'm going to write. Come on now. For, first of all, I will call it as what? Come on. Records is equal to cur dot fetch all. Fetch all. Okay. For what? Record in where? Records. Print what now? Print what? Same style. I will bring this. I'll bring this. Okay. Here I will bring it. I will say what now? Record. Record, I will write it. Record. And that too I will print what? One more. For value in where? Record. I will say what now? Say print of what? Value. Value I will write it. Value. End of that. Done. Run this. Finished. And that too it is coming to what? Same line. I need to say what? Print off. Print off. Beautiful. See this. Got it. Employee number, employee name, salary, company name, etc. Getting or not? Any table you take it. You enter that. You will get this. Understand? So like that. Any table name is there? DESC. What is this? Anything? Student is there? No. DESC. Teacher. Teacher is there. Yes. Teacher also not there. You removed everything, huh? Create table teacher of TNO. TNO. Next is what? T name. T number of 2. Number of 2. T name of what? Varchar 2 of 10. Like this. Enough. So table created. You just run it. You just go to the program and you say what here? Select star from what? Teacher. Teacher, you write it. Run this. So you are getting like this. No data present. No data present. Go to once. See one special twist here. Insert into what? Teacher of 10 comma values. Values of what? 10 comma what? RS. Single quotes. Single quotes RS. Okay, done. Select star from where? Teacher. Teacher. So you got it. Got it. Run this example, teacher. Will you get one record or not? Yes, but you will not get anything. You see that. Commit important. Good. That you need to recognize. Commit off. That is made as permanent. You run this now. You run this now. Got it. In general, last and final, I'll go for what? You see, display table. I'm going to take it what? Display table example.py. Display table example.py means what? When I enter that now, it should print what? Complete table name plus what? Records. Total things I want to get it. Same to same. I will say followed it. Program for obtaining column names and records of any table. Any table. So done. Say this here. Here I will write it. Say here. Percent of yes. Don't write a single quotes. It is not a value. It is a table name. What I will do? Percent of what? Input of. Enter what? Table name. Enter table name. Beautiful. Done. Run. Enter table name. Student. Student. Student does not exist. Table is not there. Table not there now. Exception. Yes. Next I will go for what? You say teacher. Teacher. What is that? Teacher data. You run here. What is that? employee, employee data. You enter anything, that will come. If it is not coming, table does not exist. You can happily say here what? Table does not exist. Since my program is particular, I can say table does not exist, run. So I'm entering. What happens? Close, run this. So run. Say table name. Book, table does not exist. Table does not exist. Say teacher, done. Easy. Like this you need to take. So what did you understand? So Python program communicated with what? Database. So tomorrow class, I'll tell you same mechanism. Okay, I will forget to tell you one small thing. DML operation I want to show you. DML operation I want to show you. Where is it? Oracle, here. DML operation, student, DRL operation. Look at ma. This is done. Anyhow, fetch one, fetch many, fetch all. Fetch one record at a time where cursor object is pointing. It returns tuple if records exist, none if record does not exist. Next ma, fetch many, number of records. Fetch many, number of records is used for obtaining specified number of records. Case 1. If specified number of records are double equal to 0, then this function obtains all records. In the case of CX underscore Oracle module 3.8, 3.9, etc. Under case 1B, if specified number of records 0, this function selects no records. In the case of Oracle DB. Case 2, if specified number of records are greater than 0 and specified number of records are less than total number of records, then this function gives you specified number of records. In the case of both of them, both the modules, same. Case 3, if the specified number of records are greater than total number of records, then this function obtains all the records in the case of both the modules. If the specified number of records is less than 0, this function never gives any records in the case of both of them. If we don't specify any number of records, in this function obtains all the records in the case of all of them. See how many cases. Next, fetch all will give you all the records in the form of tuples of list. Understood? So if you remember these cases, you are superpower. Just you know, it is beyond the student level. If you remember, nobody can stop you. Correct? Right. This I will upload. Online students, today I'll open my index, go to my place. Here I will go to 6 p.m. Under that, Oracle with Python, notes, index. See that limitations, importance of third-party model, setup of third-party model, prerequisite of PDBC, steps, types of queries, create, alter, drop, update, DRL, executing DDL queries, programs, DML queries, DRL programs, and next metadata and programming examples. This is related to what? Oracle. Tomorrow, same thing with a MySQL. Almost 5 days. Next day, 1 day, you will say MySQL. Sir, DDG will say. How? What I will change tomorrow? Module I will, syntax module plus connection values I will change. Connect same, cursor same, execute same, description same, fetch one, fetch many, fetch all, everything same even after 30 years. What is different? Module. You go to USA, same ISO, same NOSU, same years only. Hands. When you go to USA, total things will not go back. Syntax will not change. What will change? Your dress will change. Something will change. Only value will change. Everything remains same only. Correct or not? That's why before speaking, you should speak some technicals. Okay, now tomorrow what? Same thing with what? MySQL. Are you following? I'll stop my class. and tomorrow I'll go for MySQL. Okay, now? Right. Thank you. Nice.